All right, what's going on YouTube? So I'm back. I know it's been a while. Um, I know you see by the title, I finished up the interior in the car. I know the car looked a whole lot dirty. It's just been a while since I touched it. I want to say about a year or so. Um, but I didn't crank it up yet. I tried to crank it, but it didn't crank. So I'm gonna do a little start on it and see what it cranked on this video. This may be the last video on the car for the interior. If I do another one, it might be just on it's cleaned up and running and driving. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. So there you go, guys. She came out pretty good. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional. This is something I just chose to do, and I just got a small passion for it. But it's in there. Everything is in there. The seat belts, he's gonna get those replaced. I just put him in for right now. He may be gonna get purple or black, not sure. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, if you ever want to get seats out of 94, 95, or 96 Impala, please get them for a box Chevy, because they bolt right down into the spot. They bolt right down. I didn't have to cut nothing. I didn't have to weld anything, and everything bolted down just fine. Even the center console had welded brackets. You can see I got a video of that where I made brackets, and guys, I wired it up, and they work. As you see, they work. They tilt and everything. So yeah, guys, there you go. Headliner, the light work. I got everything up there. Got the visors up. Let's see. And let's try to crank it up, guys. Let's see what she crank up. Let's see, guys. There you go, guys. She crunk at first start. Let's get a little bit more gas. There you go, guys. Everything works. Got the temperature work, fuel working, voltage, oil pressure. Everything works, guys. But I have to get the carburetor, tweaked a little bit. I got to get a hole punched out for the roll up, because I think the guy, he forgot to put a hole for it, so I got to get that done. And like little small stuff like this, he know about it. He's gonna get it taken care of. It's just that I didn't want to just put it up there looking crazy. But once it gets some more good ones with the right parts, we'll eventually get it straight. But keep in mind, guys, I'm not a professional. This is just something I like doing. So this is the back right here. And like I said, he got to get those little fittings to go right here. I got the seats working on this side too. Let's see. Try to get this on. And it worked, guys. The tilt, it's very comfortable in here, guys. It's very comfortable in here. So, man, I just want to thank y'all, and thank the guy that, you know, gave me the opportunity to, you know, work on the car and stuff like that. And man, I really appreciate all the love and support that I see in the comments and everything. It's truly, you know, a blessing to, you know, be able to do stuff like this, and, you know, have good people out there way across the country, you know, saying good things and commenting, and, you know, keeping everything positive. But man, I'm gonna go ahead and end it, guys. So y'all like, oh yeah, for the steering wheel, he's gonna get all of that replaced. He planning on getting a new steering wheel and column, and we got to get the shift. Oh yeah, let me show you this, guy. So let's see what we got right here. Man, I didn't even know he had it. So this is for, let's see, let's bring it in here, guys. Let's see, can we get it open? But this is the this is for the shifter. And look, guys, just imagine if that's in there like that, nice and solid. I don't know exactly how I think it goes. Maybe it goes like this. Yeah, like that. So imagine that's in there with a nice steering wheel and all of that. So that's gonna be in the works of getting that done. But if I do make another video, it's gonna be with all that stuff in there. And also I got this sturdy, I got that pretty, you know, sturdy in there. So it's walls everywhere, yellow jackets. And once it's cleaned up, guys, you know, it's just a project car he liked working on, and, you know, it's just something that gave him to do. Oh, this walls do. And yeah, man. So, you know, I know it's like small little stuff that, you know, you probably see, like things like this, but, you know, it's all good. It's his car. He know about it. It's just something for, you know, for him to, you know, have fun and enjoy driving, you know. But that's it. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.